Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you how to attempt an online subjective test given to you with the help of Google Forms. First, you have to click on the link of the test given to you. Like suppose this is the test, I am clicking on the link. It will take you to the test page. See here, like this is the test page. Now I have already attempted the test, that is why this page is directly appearing. For you people, I'll show you what will appear when you will attempt the test for the first time. See, if I clicked on that, use another account, so this will appear first. Here you have to fill your valid Gmail ID. Yes, for appearing this test, you need to have a valid Gmail ID with you. Then you will click on the next. Then you will enter your password and click next. And then finally you will reach at the same page, like this page. Now here again there are different fields. Some fields may be the required fields like your name, class, section. I have not taken those fields here. I have taken the one field which is email address. Now here you can enter the email address, like I have entered this email address where I want my score to be released. You can enter the same email address, but here I have changed the email address. You can enter the same, no problem. So here you will enter the email address. On this email address, your response will come back to you. Okay, now let us start attempting the test. For example, the first question is the MCQ question, that what is the color of sky? Now you know what is the color of sky? Blue. So you will just choose that particular option. Now second question is another type of question, that is a short answer type question. So you have to write the answer. Now it is easy to type on a computer or a laptop. You simply type the answer. But if you have to type it on your phone, then you can take the advantage of Gboard, that is Google Keyboard. Here you can use the option of speaker, like when you speak something, it will automatically write. Like here, if I'll click here, I'll try to speak the answer, then it will write here. Okay. So just look at this. When I will click the speaker, the sky appears black because there is nothing to reflect in the sky. Okay, like this you can write the answer. If while writing there may be, okay, first I have to switch it off. See, it is typing all, whatever I am speaking. If while writing there is any error, you can easily edit that. Okay. After that, there is next question, that is a long answer type question. It may contain some kind of algebraic or trigonometric or some other symbols, like particularly doing the science test or mathematical test. For that, this option is there, like add file. So it is given in here in the test. Then what you have to do is you have to just simply click add file. Then you have to select files from your device. If it is a laptop, you can type the answer on MS Word, and then you can just simply select the file from your device wherever you have saved. That I will explain in different video. Here, if you are using your phone, then when you click here, select the files from your device, you'll click here. And then you have to choose from these two options. So I'll show you both the options. For example, I'm clicking here files. Okay, so these are the files on my phone. So I can click here in the phone. You can also download WPS Office. It is easy to type here if you want to give the typed answer. When you click this here, I've attempted a test already, say test magnetism. So there is another test. I'll just upload this file. Okay, so the file appears here. Now suppose I add more files. Okay, now other option you can use is your camera. Okay, from your camera you can click the picture of whatever you have done on the notebook. You can simply click the picture with the help of your camera. You have clicked this picture and then click on tick. Yes, you are uploading. Okay, so here try again with fewer items. Uploads up to 1 items are allowed if the size of the file is big. Okay, so here you have already added this file. If you want to add through camera, I'll try like this. I have deleted this file. I just press here Okay, now I can again select the files. Now I can choose my camera again, and I will click the picture again. Okay, so I have clicked the picture. I can put here. Okay, now this file has been added. Fine, like this you can add files. So the size has been selected by the teacher. So like this you can add the files, and then finally you have to click the option upload. So the file has been being uploaded here. When it is fully uploaded, you have to just click the button submit. Okay, so it's always better, like instead of taking images, you can type it on WPS Office, that I will explain in another video how you can type there, and even in that you can enter, you can click the picture and add a part of the picture in that. See here it is taking much longer time to upload. So whenever you will upload, I'll upload a simple file here again. So I think it cannot be, yes, like this, add file, select from the device, I'll select a file, again from WPS Office, see this one, it is here, and then I'll try upload. See, it has uploaded. It is easy to upload a document file. So when you uploaded it, you have to click on the submit. Okay, when you click on the submit, your response has been recorded. Now submit another response. This I have kept for myself because I want to do this test again and again to explain. But for you people, like the test can be attempt for one time only. So when you have once submitted, you can't attempt it again. Okay, so this is how you can submit your test. Thank you.